Hello, before I get started here, we're going to take a look at this humidifier that I have taken apart. It's a Humidix cool mist, warm mist humidifier, and all the parts you're seeing on the screen go from the packaging material to the plastic housing, to the circuit boards, to the wiring, to the screws, to some special equipment that makes this humidifier work. Hi, this is Chris Thomas from School of Science and Math with our digital media specialist, Dawn, and I'm going to give you an overview of this assignment where I took apart this humidifier. So I took it apart, and what I want to do is to help connect how all these pieces fit together for you. So water sits in a tank, and then it had an ultrasonic sensor that would make a mist, and there's also a heating element that heats the water. So I have all the plastic housing here, the water container, and the inside of this has all the circuit boards that I was able to unscrew and take apart. And this all sat on the base. So to kind of show you how this fits together, I have the power cord and power supply, which go into two circuit boards. And these circuit boards were then connected with some wiring harnesses that connected to the other circuit boards. So other key circuit boards were the control panel, which sat behind the buttons. We have a little humidity sensor that sat in the bottom of the base. And we have the ultrasonic sensor, which is kind of a metal plate connected to also a circuit board. We have the fan, which has a little motor inside of it, and the fan is what actually would blow the mist out of the device. And two specialized wiring harnesses have an LED light and what I think is a temperature sensor, and a bunch of screws to hold it together, and of course the buttons. So the only other pieces I need to mention is this is the copper heating element. It had two silicone tubes that were connected together, and water would flow through the tubes in this device. And this heating element on the copper tube would heat up the water as it traveled through it. So those are all the pieces, and the rest of the assignment tells you how to break down the earth materials that are required to build this type of device and many other electronics you have in your home.